birthday, Adriana. Love you.
Woke up in a car in a pretty city. Just glad that you're not with me, 'cause you never were. And I said, hey, hello.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Yana. Sana maging mabait ka na. Sana turuan mo rin ako sa school.
In California, I don't even know ya. You never occurred.
Thank you for being a good friend to me, mapastan account and in real life man. I wish you all the best that life has to offer. See you around sa CEU. I love you.
I want to say thank you for everything that you've done to me ever since we've met and talked nung grade 6. I actually didn't expect na magiging ka-close kita nun. Let's say the heavens gave me a best friend like you.
Thank you dahil isa ka sa mga taong handang makinig kapag nagrarant ako, lalo na when it comes to ACAD. And isa ka rin sa mga taong handang tumulong sa amin ng RNG.
Tala, di ka natuyuin araw-araw. Pag tinuyo ka, pagkalat mo na lang. Happy birthday, Ate Moyana!
Thank you so much kasi palagi kang nandiyan. Bago pa ito humaba lahat, ayun nga, I hope you're doing well and happy in whatever lives bring you now. Palagi ako nandito to support you.
I was scared at first nung nag-transfer ako sa CEU since baka nga wala akong friend agad. But thankfully, andyan ka and ang RNG.
Wish ko, sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Alam kong kayang-kaya mo yan. Masipag ka naman mag-aaral eh. Huwag ka muna mag-boyfriend kasi magagalit ang kuya mo.
Years ago, nung kinasal po kami ni Alan, dito rin po ang reception namin. So, not knowing na dito rin po pala magdidibo yung magiging anak namin.